Completing a degree at university has many benefits, including the possibility of boosting your income in the future. However, while you're studying, there are tertiary fees and other costs to consider. Fortunately, there are a number of options available that can help mitigate the cost of your study. To find out more, I'm joined by Alicia. Hi, Alicia.
Hi, thanks for having me, Rachel.
Alicia, have you been able to get assistance while studying at Griffith?
Yes, I was. I was actually very fortunate to get a scholarship with Griffith University, which has really helped ease some of that financial responsibility associated with postgraduate study.
Fabulous. And so that sort of financed part of your study, is that right?
It did. It financed part of, the rest was through fee help. And that was a really easy process to apply for financial help through fee help.
Let's talk more about fee help. Could you walk us through the basics of what's available?
Yeah, sure. So the first place to start is with the Commonwealth Government Fee Help Scheme. So essentially that's about borrowing money from the government and paying it back at a later date when you're actually working.
And if you're already working, do you just pay a little more tax each pay?
Yeah, that's correct. That's how it works.
Is it easy to apply for?
Absolutely. So all you really need is a tax file number and complete a request form. So very simple process.
This only covers course fees, doesn't it?
Yes, that's correct. It doesn't cover things like accommodation or computers, but if you are a Griffith student, you do get access to discounted computers, as well as being able to download Office 365 for free.
That's a great way to defer the costs of your study. What about scholarships?
The scholarships are definitely worth considering. At Griffith, there's plenty of opportunity in terms of scholarships to apply for. It's quite easy for students. For me personally though, it was about being able to not worry about the financial cost of continuing that study and just focused on my studies.
You mentioned that there were a wide range of scholarships available at Griffith, and you're right. These are across areas such as academic achievement, sporting achievement, equity and First Peoples.
Yeah, and the great thing about it is you only need to complete one application form and that covers all the scholarships that are available.
At Griffith, we try to make it really easy for people to apply for a scholarship. Was that your experience?
Yeah, so it's very easy. You just go to the scholarship website, you start an application form, you upload all the relevant documents and you hit submit. And then you'll receive an offer via email, and that's as easy as it is.
And have you found that studying your degree has opened up opportunities for you?
Yes, 100%. It's really allowed me to upskill, and I hadn't studied for 15 years. So for me personally, it was a chance to sort of become a little bit more up to date with, business practices and things like that I can apply in my current role, but also in future leadership roles as well, in the case of the postgraduate leadership and management course.
We've spoken today about a lot of the different options that are available to finance study, including fee help and scholarships available. But there are a range of other options that are available for students, and you just need to be able to go online and find what's applicable to you. Thanks so much for sharing your experience with us, Alicia. It's been great to have you.
Thanks for having me.